How is everybody doing today? Hope you guys are having an awesome Memorial Day weekend. I wanted to come and do a video for you guys. Today's video is actually going to be on the new JRL Onyx Trimmers. These guys, these little beautiful bad boys right here, which come in this box, guys. They come in the JRL box, guys. Hey, not gonna lie, guys, JRL has one of the best boxes that I personally love. I love their design. It looks absolutely amazing. It's phenomenal how they have their boxes set up. To me, I'm a big tech guy, so when I see their stuff, it reminds me like if I'm opening up like a graphics card or something. It's just so dope to see this type of design on a trimmer. Honestly, 10 out of 10 JRL. I'm happy to see this. But guys, let's get started and dive deep into this. First off, let's just see some specs. All right, so it is a patented smart clip technology. Constant speed and motor won't drag or stall, whatever that means. 360 exposed T-blade for precision cutting, like lining, designing, and dry shaving. 8200 RPMs, so the motor will be running fast, and I can vouch for that. Like the JRL, the original ones, the original trimmers, they felt pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, but these guys, you could definitely feel power. I'm a big fan of that, but I will get to another thing later. 3.5 hours runtime. One thing that I would say, guys, is that these do not have that runtime on them like the clipper does. I wish that's something that they would put into it. I'm not sure if they can because of the small design, but it would be nice to see in like a runtime indicator, because you know the clippers have them, and it's just something nice that separates them from different clipper companies. Low noise. These are a little bit noisier than the original trimmers, but that still doesn't take away from how quiet these are compared to other trimmers. I've used this in the shop with kids. They didn't seem to mind it. With my other clients, they don't seem to mind it at all either. So that little extra noise that you do get really does not make a big difference while you're performing the haircut. So here's one thing, guys, that I'm personally not a big fan of, is their easy gap blade feature, which is it comes with a little screw, so you could get these little screws behind the blade, so you can adjust the height of the trimmer, so you can zero gap them. Me personally, I'm not a fan of that. I like to set my blades traditionally, where you kind of like just unscrew these and just adjust them. I did find it difficult using that little tool because it is hard. The black on black blades, it is hard to see if you're a little too far apart, if one side is higher than the other. I tried it sometimes where it was set what looked to me pretty evenly, and when I go to do a lineup, unfortunately, because that's something that I personally struggled with these. I'm not sure if it's just user error or if it's just something that other people are running into, but out of the box, these were amazing. These definitely did not cut. Did not feel like they were lacking anything. But I personally just wanted them adjusted just a little bit more. And unfortunately, with that just a little adjustment, it was a little too much. I finally set them perfectly, which I'm kind of happy that I did. But be very careful with these guys. They may feel like, I'm not sure how you guys are, but I'm the type of person, like, I'll test it on my forearm. I'll do a little test. I'll test it on my neck, and they feel fine. But once I go to a client, maybe their skin is different. Maybe they might not take it as well as you did. But be very careful, guys. These blades are very sharp. Again, just be careful, guys. Just be careful, because these definitely could hurt somebody. Again, might be user error. If you have issues, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, guys, the JRL trimmer. What else does it come with? Let me see, guys. So what comes in the box is the blade adjustment tool, the screwdriver, lubricant, a brush, the blade protector, an adapter, 5 guards, guys. 5 guards for the trimmer, you know, for those guys who you know, want to manscape or something. But or if you just, you know, your client just likes their beard trimmed up with a trimmer. But I think it's for manscaping. But charging dock, guys. The charging dock, I personally enjoy it because you could just set it on the dock, starts charging when you set the trimmer down. I'm very forgetful, so when I put the trimmer back into my box, I forget to charge it. So when I go to my next haircut, it's at low power, then I have to charge it and yada yada yada. But this trimmer has a lot of potential. I can't wait to just have a little bit more time with it, have just really learn it to see what it's really capable of. As of right now, on a scale out of 1 to 10, I give it probably like a 6.5. But again, it could be user error. I just need more time with it. Who is this trimmer for? I would say this trimmer is for overall everybody. Not gonna lie. It could be used for at home, somebody that wants a really strong trimmer just to clean up their beard, manscape, to do anything just at home, line up real quick. But in the shop, these are very good for stylists too, because they're very quiet, they're very light. A lot of people don't talk about that. Like, stylists can definitely benefit from these. Barbers can definitely benefit from these. But again, if you adjust it, just be very careful, guys. Really test it out on yourself before you start lining anybody up. Last thing you want is to cut somebody or to cut a kid, and you can scar them for the rest of your life. Advanced barbers will definitely know what to do with these. In the best way possible, this trimmer is overall good for everybody. The rating that I gave it probably will go up. I can definitely see it going up a lot. But yeah, guys, I'm enjoying these a lot, actually. But I definitely do want just more time with it. Not a lot of people are, I guess you could say, I don't see these very often in the barbershops where I'm from, or I don't see anybody talking about them. At the time when I bought these, which was like a week ago, I checked on JRL.com. They were sold out. The only place I could find them was eBay. And, you know, I've bought a lot of stuff from eBay. Luckily, there's been a lot of trustworthy sellers on there. Do I advise buying from eBay? Just be very careful. Do your little due diligence. Check the reviews on the seller. But yeah, that's the only place I could find them. I did pay a little small premium for these because I went to an event and they were the only ones that had them, so I paid $160 for these. I know I paid over market price, but I wanted these in my hand. I wanted to test them, so I'm very happy that I did buy them, because now I can actually do this review and give you guys my opinions, my thoughts on these. This is the Onyx trimmer. Let's do a little sound test real quick. I know I already turned it on, but let's do a little quick sound test, a little ASMR. Yo, how do these feel? They don't hurt? I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with you guys. I just want to some bloopers or something. But hope you guys enjoy this. Please like, share, subscribe. Please comment, guys. The comments have actually been helping out a lot, and I'm very grateful. I'm very happy to see this channel grow. I can't wait to share just more things with you guys. So thank you so much, and everybody have a blessed day. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Just stay safe, guys. Peace out.